Hello and welcome. I'm John Tan from Sotheby's International Realty in Beverly Hills. Welcome to my new listing, 1227 Granville Avenue. This is the penthouse level number 2. This beautifully remodeled, open and light-filled penthouse unit boasts rarely found 4 bedrooms and 3 baths in the heart of West Los Angeles and over 1,700 square feet of luxury and comfort living. The minute you walk in, your eyes are drawn to the grand and open living space that is designed for entertaining family and friends. Abundance of natural light flows in and ties in beautifully with the expansive 2-story vaulted ceilings. Take a seat and relax comfortably by the fireplace, which is custom designed. Each stone was carefully placed with great craftsmanship. Or watch a movie and immerse yourself with the powerfully built-in surround sound speakers. The homeowners love to have family and friends gather at the large dining table for formal holiday dinners or sit by the bar for a nice chat. The bar is custom built with solid stone counters, soft closing cabinets, and mood-enhancing LED lighting, ready to get any event started, and it is one of the homeowners' favorite spots. You will also find a large spa-like master suite and a second bedroom and bathroom on opposite ends of the first level. It gives the occupants much-needed privacy. Upstairs, the loft has been converted to 2 spacious bedrooms with added storage space. With soundproof floors, the upper level is perfect for those who desire their own space for sleep, work, or play. Last but not least, you have this striking rooftop deck with stunning views of the sunset, city lights, Getty Center, and as far as LMU. It offers plenty of space for relaxing or entertaining. I would like to thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about this luxurious penthouse, my contact information will be at the end of this video.